Hello and namaskar, viewers. In this video, we are going to talk about reading short stories, the literary perspective. And here I'm taking up two short stories. One is Fitzgerald's The Crack Up. So let's talk about it first. How to read The Crack Up. Then it's very important that we begin our reading with the writer's background. Then we should start reading the text, underlining the difficult portions of words or sentences. You either ask your teacher or refer to some secondary sources like critical essays that can help you understand the concept of the story better. Then you are required to write a summary in your own words as per your understanding, because this helps to develop your concept related to your reading. So, if we follow these instructions while reading or taking up Fitzgerald's The Crack Up, this is a short story, and if you take up these instructions, it becomes much better to understand. And a writer's background, it is the most mandatory. Without knowing about the writer, we cannot develop further the understanding of the short story. Then comes my second short story is Spivak's Gayatri Chakravarti Spivak's translated work of Mahashweta Devi's Draupadi, which is in Bengali. So first, it is very important to read the original writer, to read about the original writer and the original story. After that, it is also required to read about the background of the translator, that is Gayatri Chakravarti Spivak. And above all, the theory that is in the particular concept, in the introduction part of the translator, that is the deconstruction theory by Jacques Derrida, it becomes very essential to understand the text better, to understand the translation better and the story. So, besides that, it is also required that before reading the short story, the translator's introduction, which is by Gayatri Chakravarti Spivak, becomes indeed, it generates a lot of ideas, critical perspectives of looking at the short story. So underline the powerful statements that highlights deconstruction and the feminist ideologies. Prepare a write-up on your understanding of the characters in the story. Find out the relevant issues addressed in this story. You may form a peer discussion group that would help you to come out with more challenging ideas. Because when you discuss with a group, with your peers, even with your teacher, then a lot of new ideas crop up. So understanding only develops when you tend to analyze. So writing and addressing the relevant issues are the parts of reading and rereading the short stories. So these are all about a quick overview of reading short stories. Well, about the suggestions, I would like to say that all those who really love literature and are very passionate about learning something, knowing something related to fiction, short fiction, in this video, I would like to suggest that we should develop the habit of reading, because reading and rereading, it makes a huge difference. So reading is very necessary, and that too also reading with some kind of analysis and critical reading. Therefore it plays a major role for literature readers. Not only that, but we should also enhance this particular skill by writing, because writing gives us the opportunity, the process to think over the concepts, and that way it leads to a higher dimension where we can get so many ideas about the story and relevant notions about or concepts about the story that revolves around the story. Just like we talked a while ago related to the two stories that I was referring to. So I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching this. Namaskar.